What's up? It's your boy T-Dog here. I'm going to show you guys something for all the welders out there. For all those who like to weld. If you have ever ran into problems such as breaking your workpiece like this. Now I've nothing to clamp my electrode to. So what am I going to do, right? There's nothing I can really do. Well, actually there is. You're going to want some of these vice grips here. You're going to want to dial it in to the right size to hold the work clamp and electrode. This is now the new work clamp. Right here I got a 6013 rod. This is good for people who are not good at 6010. The only issue with this is butt joints. Do not recommend doing any kind of butt joints with these 6010s right here. So what we're going to do is get our machine turned on. We're going to do everything as if nothing's really broken. You're not going to get shocked or nothing like that. I'm going to set this over here. Oops. You're going to grab this and you're going to position it so that it's in there comfortably. And we're just going to clamp her on down. There you go. I heard the current as soon as I did that go through there. So I already know it's working. You're going to grab your helmet. I got two of them. This one's my favorite. Solar powered, no batteries. I just leave the window open. Do need a new screen here soon, but it's still alright. Alright, no gimmicks. There are no gimmicks here. Everything's plugged in. Nothing here is fake. And if you try this at home, you'll see that it works. And it's safe. Just take precautions. So here we go. I'm welding up the frame to my gas bicycle. Oh, you know what? My ground isn't connected. Get that squared away. Alright, let's go. I'm going now. Shit's live.